Greetings to my audience. This is Advocate Jyoti Kumari from Sri and Sri Law Associates. You know that old saying, possession is 9/10 of the law. It sounds catchy, but what does it really mean? Is possession just about holding something in your hand, or is there more to it? In today's episode of Legal Dishes, we are going to peel back the layers of possession and see how the law slices it into different types, from residents living in abandoned houses to landlords renting out property to copyrights protecting your creative work. Possession shows up everywhere in daily life. We'll walk through possession in fact versus possession in law, corporeal versus incorporeal possession, immediate versus mediate possession, actual versus constructive possession, joint, derivative, and adverse possession, and finally, how possession differs from custody and ownership. Let's start with possession in fact versus possession in law. Possession in fact is about physical control, like a squatter living in a house. Possession in law is about legal recognition, the rightful owner of that house, even if they are miles away. Next, corporeal versus incorporeal possession. Corporeal possession is tangible like cars, books, lands, etc. Incorporeal possession is intangible like copyrights, patents, or a right of way. Moving on to immediate versus mediate possession. Immediate possession is direct control like holding your phone. Mediate possession is indirect control through someone else like a landlord's right while the tenant lives in the house. Now, actual versus constructive possession. Actual possession is being there physically. Constructive possession is legal recognition without presence, like holding the keys to a warehouse. Let's look at joint, derivative, and adverse possession. Joint possession is shared, controlled by multiple people. Derivative possession flows from another authority, like a tenant renting from a landlord. Adverse possession is unauthorized occupation that can become legal over time if the owner doesn't act. Finally, how does possession differs from custody and ownership? Custody is temporary holding without intent. Possession is control plus intent to exclude others. Ownership is the crown and it's the ultimate legal right. So, here's the takeaway. Custody is the content, possession is the control, and the ownership is the crown. Together, they show how the law separates physical reality from legal rights. Thank you for listening to Legal Dishes. Subscribe for more easy breakdowns of complex legal concepts, served fresh and simple. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep tasting the flavor of justice. Thank you.